This video is to show you what software engineering looks like, frustrations and all. This is my process. You won't get any value really about learning to code, but it's just an insight on how it looks like. Long nights of me coding looks like this with a lot of frustration involved. But I know that to overcome it is to be a better software engineer. And so I invite you to join me. I'm going to post study videos, so whenever I post them, you should come study with me and keep going for your goal. We can do it together. Alright, let's freaking get to coding. So, it's like 11 at night, but I'm going to try my best to do this. I can't finish it all today, but I'm going to work really hard on it. So, right now, I'm going to, this is my website. GitHub has like a free one that you get. So, I just made like a static HTML, CSS one and just showcases my projects. It's pretty bad. Like, these are really bad. Like, look at this, bro. Trash! Right in the garbage. Yeah, so I'm just gonna revamp it. This needs to be revamped. Like, like the coolest thing is this, and that's not even that cool. So yeah, come with me and make it, I guess. Okay, so first off, I gotta make sure that don't look at this. Make sure that I have Node installed. Let's see here, Node-V. Checks. Oh, I do have it installed. Perfect. So I'm using Git Bash. I know there's PowerShell. I don't know much about that, so I'm just gonna use what I know. So then let's see here. I want to create. The beautiful thing about ChatGPT, it saves lives. Check this out. I am going to create a website to store my projects. Right? How to using Next.js. I want to make a power? No, I want to make a portfolio. How do I do that using a Windows computer? Beautiful. Just got look at that. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna make a Next.js. So npx create next app at latest. It's gonna be called the revamped portfolio. I guess the condition. No, not condition. The naming convention is to use a hyphen. So that's what I'm going to do. So it's going to create it for me using Node, which is a package manager. Would you like to use TypeScript? Oh, I'm not very good with TypeScript. Yeah, why not? Would you like to use? Yeah, why not? Yes, I would. What? Why are you asking me that, bro? Like, no, okay. Yes. I'm just gonna press enter. Okay, initialize the project with template, React DOM, TypeScript, types, and Tailwind. Perfect. So it looks like it wants me to CD into the portfolio. I think it's being made. It's not saying anything. Oh, depreciated. Okay, I see. We can update that later if it persists. npm notice new minor version. Alright, so I'm just gonna update this dependency. Just keys. Oh my gosh, okay, fine. This is not good. You probably want to paste it so you don't make any errors. But I'm pretty confident. Yeah, pretty confident. Okay, perfect. So I globally installed and updated npm. Okay, let's cd into that revamped Revamp portfolio. So this is perfect. npm run dev, and then let's start coding. I'm gonna use a. So it looks like this is the location. If you press Control and click on the link, you can actually, it will immediately go to the entire link. And so it's compiling right now. Whoa, that's pretty neat. You can just deploy right away. Okay, well, anyways, we're not going to do that because we need to make the code. My bad. So it's actually running the server. That's why it's doing that. But what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to use my VS Code file editor. And that will do that. So perfect. Beautiful. So it's using PowerShell here, so that's fine. Looks like these are the packages. Perfect. I'm going to actually get init. And that initializes the repository. And then I'm actually going to go to my GitHub. Make sure I set. I'm going to try that again. So we're going to use ChatGPT to figure out how to make the React. So we're going to use this to make the React. What? Interesting. Wow. I guess it's shift in this. Okay, so that's different. I'll just paste here. Okay, perfect. No, I'm going to actually call it revamped portfolio. Cause, oops. The revamped portfolio. Yes. What? Yeah. So to create a React. No, it's gonna. Yes, I'll just use all the default settings. Basically, it's saying I'm going to create a TypeScript application for Next.js using React, React DOM, and all these configurations. It should be pretty quick to download. Let's get started here. And I am by no means. Oh, okay, so it looks like. Okay, perfect. So it's just giving us warnings of what's being depreciated. That's fine. I'm actually going to code here. So I'm going to cd into revamped portfolio. And then I'm going to code. This basically opens up my editor of choice. Beautiful. So it looks like git status gets on branch master. What does that even mean? Okay, perfect. So then I'm going to now in this one. So this should be a git init. So I'm going to actually copy this code here, paste it here. And let's see if it allows. Okay, perfect. So I just copied and pasted. Basically, I made a new repository and I added that. And now they should be linked. So if I do this here, if I refresh this page, yep, all these files get transferred over to my GitHub. Perfect. So now I'm going to start editing this file. I have src, I have fonts, and I have this src app. Okay, perfect. So I have an app. Inside of apps, I'm going to make a folder called components. Inside, so it looks like this is what the page looks like. Oh, that's a lot of things. Holy moly. Wow, this is pretty cool. Fontgeist. So that's just global CSS that they use. Okay, perfect. So then we actually don't need all of that. We do not need it. But I'm going to. So basically what it's doing, if I do npm run dev, it should be in the config. Yep. So in using this URL, it's made a website using these. So get started by editing SRC app page. So I gotta edit all this. So I'm actually gonna take all of that out and take all of that out, and that's just like the TypeScript that it came with. And we don't need image. So this is the home function. So let's just make sure this works. Hello, this is a website. Oh, there is it. There it is. Okay. Then, okay, perfect. So now we have these. Looks like ChatGPT already has some tutorials of what to do. So let's start by making a index. Oh, we already have a. Yeah, it's okay. We'll make an index.jsx. It's basically like the start of everything. Well, that's kind of what Pages is, but okay, we will do this. Let me think. How would I do this? Projects. So looks like, okay, how do you, using Next and TypeScript with React, create a website? So we have a structure that they want us to follow. Pages, public. So public. Wow, they don't even. Oh, weird. They don't set that up for you, huh? Okay, that's fine. Okay, basic page structure. So they want us to make these for the configuration. Let's see. That's it. So let's make public pages components. So that's our default component. So pages, styles. Yeah, we can make one for styles. So we'll do styles. Oh, what? Not inside of components. Move components. So in SRC, there's an app, and then we have all these components, fonts, pages, styles. Let's just make a component for. Let's just start here. So we'll do. Let's see here. Let's start with a good nav bar. Why not? It's a great place to start. So it's .tsx because that's a TypeScript React file, and that's what the VS Code recognizes it as. So let's start there. Okay, let's first start with the navbar. They already have it for us. Look at that. So we're not. Oh, looks like we have import link. I don't know what this does. Let's just figure out together. What the freak is going? Okay, well, I should just copy paste. I'm an idiot. Well, yep. You just obviously. Oopsie. Spaghetti-o. Okay, perfect. So component / navbar tsx, and then I'm gonna import that into the home page. What? Yep. So import navbar, and I remember, I'm pretty sure that component should have a capital. It's weird. Navbar. I'll just do that. Export, import navbar. So it automatically knows. That's beautiful. And it's here. So we do navbar. We make it. We can do whatever we want, but it's gonna. It won't be inside, or it won't have any content because this will be the content. So let's look at. Hello. So it looks like it has about. It has contact, and then it has home. beautiful, which is this page right here, homepage. Okay, so then React.fc arrow function. Okay, I understand. href. Keep perfect. So now we have to figure out how the heck we're gonna start styling. So let's do that. Yes, it's a great thing to note. You need to have some starting. I don't think if you do. You want to do something to start. What am I talking about? I don't know. You guys, I'm just trying to figure it out. I think for body, CSS body starting a website, we must have margin 0. Oh, it's like, maybe, I think we set everything to 0. Yeah. So CSS Tricks, a beautiful website, highly recommended. Keeps your designs consistent. So let's add that to our root. I think this means like the start. Could be wrong. Okay, perfect. Well, let's see here. This nav bar link. And then, we have TypeScript now, so we can do like top 0, absolute, bottom 0. Let's see what happens. Pretty sure I'm using Tailwind. Yeah. Okay. Using Tailwind CSS. Can you create a highly interactive and dynamic nav bar? So we already have that. Perfect. And in the styles global, yeah, this is right here. We already have the Tailwind base. Interesting. Maybe we don't have Tailwind. Let's see if I need to install. And how install Tailwind using npm. Let's see if we need that dependency. So I'm gonna terminate the bad. That means I'm just gonna stop the website, I think. npm I. Let's just see if we need any dependencies installed. It's up to date. npm I Tailwind. Okay, and I think now I can just start. Okay, let's just see. Run dev. Okay, we're gonna run it, and then we're gonna see right here. It's compiling. There's no. Come on. What is that? Oh, let's see. It's a screen. BG Gray 100. So if I take that out, yep, that's where my nav bar is. I don't know why the screen's white though. That's really odd. Might be because bar dot. That must be it. Okay, perfect. So I need to capitalize it because I changed it here. Sometimes it does it automatically, but we don't want that at that top. So let's see if ChatGPT, you are an expert Next.js and TypeScript programmer. Create a highly interactive. Highly interactive nav bar to navigate a portfolio website. We already did this. We don't need to worry about this half. Okay, we have components, nav bar. Oh, it's getting fancy. It's using state. That's pretty cool. Okay. Do I know what this means? Well, let's see here. Okay. Nav bar react const. Let's just see what the heck it's gonna look like if I copy and paste it. I just want to see why it's failing. Use state. Error. You're importing a component that needs use state. It only works in a client component, but none of its parents are marked with use state, so the server components by default. What the F? Use state. Import trace. Okay, let's also throw this at interesting. So you can only use it in client components. Let's use state. Weird. Gotcha. So they're separating the front end from the back end by saying use client. So they're saying it's the front end app. Okay, perfect. That's fine. Well, look at that. Wow, that's pretty good. I'm gonna actually change some of these items. Like I want it on hover to do something. Tailwind on hover, highlight text. So look right here. Perfect. So class name just by center, div, my portfolio, these buttons. Ooh, why do I have a button here? Gonna click toggle menu. Whoa. Is open. So I guess toggle menu is a part of function. Wow, that's crazy how they can do that. Yeah, so basically setting the state. I understand. So where's the button? Let me just get rid of this background. Like I need it to be white so I can just see. Oh, so you have a what the freak is going on? Is open path round stroke. I have no idea what the heck this is doing. I don't. Oh, it's an SVG. I understand. So I don't have an SVG. It's kind of like a logo that they think I have. Okay. I don't think I need this at the moment. Nor do I need this use state, but yeah, it's weird. I'm just gonna Do that for now. Yeah. Block long. Inline block P4 hover gray. Okay. This is the home nav. I want to make it prettier. Let's see here. I'm just curious. Oh, so we can make custom classes. Okay, well, let's just see. So then I want BG gray 800 XYP. That's fine. Okay, so then this is where I'm getting into nitty block. So that's because that's why that makes them right next to each other. Inline block log P4. I kind of want it bigger. Let's do P10. Oh, it's padding. I understand. 40. Ooh, freak. Okay. Tailwind font. Font size. Tailwind large inline black. What the freak does that mean? To display. Let's see here. Let's see if I can find energy. No, we don't have it. Well, ChatGPT, you have the answer. So. Weird. Export to. Huh. I kinda don't want to do this way. So it's to learn Tailwind, and it's gonna take me forever to learn Tailwind. Let me think. All right, we're gonna keep going. I lost hope because it seemed really hard, and I didn't want to do Tailwind, but it's okay. Don't be a perfectionist. I can do this. I just have to make sure that I am confident and I can do it. So this is another profile I made, but we won't be doing that. We're gonna make a website together. So we're gonna make sure ChatGPT knows what we're doing. So you're an expert. React, Tailwind, CSS, and let's do this. Tailwind, CSS, and TypeScript developer using Next.js. Make a navbar component for the home page. We have all these already, so we don't have to worry about what dependencies and whatnot they want us to have. Import link from NextLink. Wow, interesting. Can you remove the is open? Oh, they want us to have a menu, I understand. Okay, but the SVG... Okay, well, here. Oh, cool. So it made something to use mobilely. Let's just try to figure out what the heck's going on. So it's called navbar. It's called navbar. What's failing to compile? Import. Oh, because I gotta learn earlier. We have to use client. Runtime invalid link. Please a or link. What? Invalid link with a. Interesting. Oh, so I guess we can't do that anymore. What? Gotcha. So we don't have to have. We don't need the. Oh, fascinating link. Wow, that's pretty dope. We'd have to link it into a thing. So it's just every a tag right here. Go to the class name. Make sure we get all of that. Copy it, erase, and then I'm going to put it in. Oh, what am I doing? Copy it and make sure. Oh no. Okay, so we'll do it this way. Wow, there's a whole bunch. Okay. I understand. So this is what that's pretty dope. It's very functional. Okay, at a certain height, but these text messages are too low, so I'm going to my gosh. Yeah, I want it to be pretty big, and then max width 7, small pixel. I want pixels to be pretty big. Let's make it like 20. I want to see what that looks like. 6. ChatGPT amazing. Like, look at that. Yeah, we'll style it up again later, but this is a really good start for the Tailwind. Let me make this home. That's pretty fascinating. So you're saying so you're saying I'm being so honest. I'm so discouraged right now. This TypeScript business is pretty hard. But let's just truck on. It's what we suffer. So I'm looking at how to make a Next.js portfolio template. Let's just see what they have. Like, how is it supposed to be made, This guy has a pretty good... Let's view the demo. So it looks like that with all this, night, day, perfect. I just want to see what it looks like. Public, theme. What is the layout? And he doesn't have a page out here, if you can check that out. Weird. So this is what it looks like. Chill nav. Here's a theme. Let's see what pages. Public styles. So he has. Here's app.js. Understand. So this is his pages. So then we look at his index.js. Okay, I don't know why he did it like that. Weird. But we're learning. So that's how he does a C for components. He does components like this. Yeah, this is kind of a weird way to... I wouldn't do it like that. Okay, next let's learn. So how is he doing it? Okay, so he's public src, assets, components, pages. So what is he doing? So his components are this. Let's look at about.js. So he's following the folder like. And so src pages app.js. Okay. Yes, index.js. That seems more normal to me. Okay. So I like his example. I'm going to follow this one. Just try to make sense of it all. Let's see if he has like a website. I can check it out. Oh, it looks pretty good. Whoa, Abu, you're goated, bro. This is dope. Wow. Wow, this is so cool. All right, Abu. Oh, very well done, dude. Okay, I'm motivated now. Let's freaking get this bread. So I like Abu's. So he said 3.7. I'm actually gonna save this to look at later. All bookmarks, because I think he's gonna have a great example for me to base off of what I want to make. That's a beautiful website. Okay, so let's just start one at a time again. Okay, so first off, see Abu, he has a public and src. His src, and his src, he has these. So assets, components, context, data, pages. So I want pages and assets. His pages, he has two. So src / app. That must be a new thing that they do. So this is actually just to have the components, huh? Do it like this. Okay, we're gonna use this as like a app. Layout has the children. That makes sense. They have a function. Layout children. Read only children. Okay, I understand. Fave icon. I don't need that anymore. So then. Oh my gosh. I hate this. That's fine. Well, let's see. Okay. Navbar. Made using ChatGPT. Thank you. Pages, fonts, save fonts, app components, fonts, pages, styles. So I'm curious. This is a home page, right? So if I make like a about, let's just say about.tsx, right? And then I make a const about. Oh wow! Oh, I don't know any React. Turn diff. This is the about page. I can actually do export default about. You know, like that. Alright, fine. Function. You don't like that either? Fine. So then if I have the local host, what the fudge? I'm running it. So then, okay, so am I supposed to say /about? App pages, the pages at router. Okay, so they looks like I should have went to docs. I'm so stupid. But they have pages for pages router, public for static assets. So let's just put that public for static assets, src for source app router. Okay, we have app. Top level files, app. Inside app, we can have layout or page. Understand. I just would love to see an example. Hmm.